The hangiri, or the large container with a wide surface in which you mix and make the sushi rice, is one of the essential tools for the sushi making process. The traditional hangiri is usually made of wood, and by handling and maintaining properly, it can have a longer life and contributes to the tastier sushi rice. This video specifically introduces you how to use hangiri. When you use the brand new hangiri, clean up first to remove the chemical on the surface. Pour some water into it and add 1 or 2 cups of rice vinegar. Lightly mix it and leave it for a couple hours before washing it out. You can still use it even without cleaning it up, but this way reduces the chance that the harshness of the material transfers to the rice. Before using for the day, make it little wet with a towel. If you put the cooked rice and pour the sushi vinegar directly onto it, the dry surface of the hangiri will absorb the liquid before being penetrated in the rice, and this may affect the quality of the sushi rice. Coating the surface with water also protects the material from the smell and the color from the food ingredients, as well as preventing the rice from sticking on it. Sugar and carbs from the rice and the sushi vinegar can be the cause of growing mold. Wash the surface carefully with water. If it got really dirty, you can use the detergent, but do not use bleach. Then wipe off the moisture with a towel and dry in the airy shade. Drying rapidly under the direct sunlight can shrink the wooden materials, and it changes the shape, breaks the bottom panels, or drops off the metal hoop. Some restaurants leave the hangiri filled with some water in it to keep it wet, just to prevent the materials from getting fully dry and getting broken. If you use it every day and wash carefully, this way somehow makes sense, but otherwise leaving it wet can also cause growing mold and deteriorate the material, and that wants to be avoided. Since it's made of natural materials, it can grow mold and get blackened no matter how carefully you use. This instruction is to help you remove the mold if that happens. First, make it wet with water and brush the surface with lemon juice. Only the actual lemon has the bleaching effect. The modified lemon juice does not work for this. Alternatively, pour some rice vinegar onto the blackened surface and brush it up. Soak in hot water over 60 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes, then wash it out. If it still didn't work well, use a sandpaper to polish the surface. The wooden plates expand and shrink depending on the humidity, and a dry season like winter can increase the chance of the panels getting loose. Usually it is still fixable. Use a hammer to push them in where they were. And put some water to expand the tissues. they will be tightened up and stable again. Since this is made of natural materials, the condition may not last permanently, but as long as you use it and maintain it properly, it will have a longer life, mature, and will go better with food ingredients as you use, just like your sushi knife.